Conversational example. Situation: in the office, discussing a project. Active voice: we are planning a new project. Passive voice: a new project is being planned by us. Active voice: the manager is assigning tasks to the team. Passive voice: tasks are being assigned to the team by the manager. Active voice: they are discussing the project details in the meeting. Passive voice: the project details are being discussed by them in the meeting. Active voice: I am sending the final report to the client. Passive voice: the final report is being sent to the client by me. Active voice: the team is reviewing the feedback. Passive voice: the feedback is being reviewed by the team. Situation: in a bank, discussing loan processing. Active voice: the bank is approving the loan for the customer. Passive voice: the loan is being approved for the customer by the bank. Active voice: they are verifying the customer's documents. Passive voice: the customer's documents are being verified by them. Active voice: the manager is checking the credit score. Passive voice: the credit score is being checked by the manager. Active voice: the customer is submitting the required forms. Passive voice: the required forms are being submitted by the customer. Situation: in a factory, discussing production. Active voice: the workers are assembling the new machines. Passive voice: the new machines are being assembled by the workers. Active voice: the engineers are testing the quality of the products. Passive voice: the quality of the products is being tested by the engineers. Active voice: they are preparing the final shipment for delivery. Passive voice: the final shipment is being prepared for delivery by them. Active voice: the manager is monitoring the production line closely. Passive voice: the production line is being closely monitored by the manager. Situation: at a university, during an exam. Active voice: the professor is distributing the exam papers. Passive voice: the exam papers are being distributed by the professor. Active voice: the students are writing their answers. Passive voice: the answers are being written by the students. Active voice: the invigilators are monitoring the exam hall. Passive voice: the exam hall is being monitored by the invigilators. Active voice: the professor is collecting the answer sheets. Passive voice: the answer sheets are being collected by the professor. Situation: in a hospital, handling patients. Active voice: the nurses are checking the patient's vital signs. Passive voice: the patient's vital signs are being checked by the nurses. Active voice: the doctors are prescribing medicines to the patients. Passive voice: medicines are being prescribed to the patients by the doctors. Active voice: the staff is preparing the operation room. Passive voice: the operation room is being prepared by the staff. Active voice: the surgeons are performing a surgery. Passive voice: a surgery is being performed by the surgeons. Situation: at a movie premiere. Active voice: the organizers are arranging the red carpet event. Passive voice: the red carpet event is being arranged by the organizers. Active voice: the celebrities are attending the premiere. Passive voice: the premiere is being attended by the celebrities. Active voice: the press is interviewing the stars. Passive voice. The stars are being interviewed by the press. Active voice. The guests are enjoying the screening. Passive voice. The screening is being enjoyed by the guests. Situation. In a library. Active voice. The librarian is organizing the books. Passive voice. The books are being organized by the librarian. Active voice. Students are borrowing books for their exams. Passive voice. Books are being borrowed by the students for their exams. Active voice. The library staff is helping the students find reference materials. Passive voice. The reference materials are being found for the students by the library staff. Active voice. The librarian is checking the issued books. Passive voice. The issued books are being checked by the librarian. Situation. At a hotel. Active voice. The receptionist is checking in the guests. Passive voice. The guests are being checked in by the receptionist. Active voice. The staff is cleaning the rooms for new arrivals. Passive voice. The rooms are being cleaned by the staff for new arrivals. Active voice. The chef is preparing dinner for the guests. Passive voice. Dinner is being prepared by the chef for the guests. Active voice. The guests are enjoying their stay at the hotel. Passive voice. Their stay is being enjoyed by the guests at the hotel. Situation. At a car workshop. Active voice. The mechanic is repairing the car engine. Passive voice. The car engine is being repaired by the mechanic. Active voice. They are inspecting the tires for any damage. Passive voice. The tires are being inspected for any damage by them. Active voice. The staff is washing the cars after service. Passive voice. The cars are being washed by the staff after service. Active voice. The manager is discussing the service details with the customer. Passive voice. The service details are being discussed with the customer by the manager.